Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Asia-Pacific equity markets were mixed. China and Hong Kong saw a more than 1% drop, while South Korea and Australia posted gains. Europe's Stoxx 600 has been off for the fourth consecutive session. This is the longest span in a few months. The US futures remain at the same levels. The dollar's four-day rally was stopped by a shocking flash of the US PMI. The gold price is near $1,750, but has not been able to sustain yesterday's rally of nearly $12. Since Saudi Arabia threatened to reduce supply, October WTI has been extending its rally and Israel is resisting the US-Iran agreement. Asian Pacific market. China continues its aerial harassment of the island. It crosses the Taiwan Straits median line repeatedly. The Atlantic Council stated in a recent report that Ukraine's lessons have taught them that U.S. strategic uncertainty is not effective deterrence and that the U.S. should support Ukraine unambiguously. The U.S. strategic ambiguity does not concern one China, but rather how the U.S. would react to Beijing's used military power to unify the country. Today, the dollar trades in a narrow range of about a third of a Japanese yen against the Japanese currency. This is despite yesterday's settlement, which was slightly higher than JPY 136.75. As the market waits for new news, the Australian dollar is also trading in a tight range. It spent the majority of the European session below yesterday's settlement of $0.6930. Market of Europe. The Independent, a UK online newspaper, reported that Russia's imports to the UK have dropped by almost 97% since the invasion. According to data from the Office of National Statistics, they reached 33 million GBP in June. This collapse was caused by government sanctions and companies looking for alternatives to Russian goods that go beyond those sanctioned. After the disappointing US data, the euro fell to $1.0020. However, it was temporary, and the euro closed the North American session at $0.9970. Sterling was restricted to a range of less than 50 cents above $1.1800. Market of America. The preliminary estimate for July durable goods orders by the U.S. is reported by the U.S. The survey data is more reliable than the real sector data. Economists may not yet appreciate the surge in U.S. arms exports abroad as a component of durable goods orders. It seems that there is a coordinated arms buildup, and there is a clear demand for U.S.-made weaponry. The jump in Boeing order will also be a factor that will make today's report more impressive. Yesterday's big outside decline in the U.S. dollar was offset by a strong Canadian dollar. It has remained at CAD 1.2955 so far and is not below that level. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.